Changing your workspace name on Hugging Face Enterprise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your workspace name easily. Step 1. Login. Access your Hugging Face Enterprise account by entering your credentials on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to your workspace. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the workspace. Find the workspace you want to rename. Click on it to open the workspace settings. Step 4. Access settings. Within the workspace, look for Settings or Edit option. Click on it to enter the workspace configuration settings. Step 5. Change workspace name. In the settings menu, find the field labeled workspace name. Enter your desired new name and save the changes by clicking the Save or Update button. Now your workspace name has been successfully changed. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to support.